When you need a chest to hold all of your tools, you know you're a serious automotive enthusiast. Storage units are essential components that help to extend the life of your hardware. These units provide covered spaces to protect tools from the effects of external elements such as dust or moisture, as well as to keep your tools organized so you don't have to replace tools unnecessarily, saving you time and money. A tool storage unit should be made of sturdy materials to ensure long-term durability and maximum weight-bearing capacity. Tool storage units should also be the appropriate size for your specific set of tools and working space. The storage units I'll be showing you in this video range from the workshop to the home garage. They are some of the best you can find on the market. Before getting into things, please support this channel by giving a like to this video and subscribe to this channel for more tech updates. Manhattan Comfort's Fortress collection introduces a beautifully crafted and designed mobile garage storage cart. The garage storage cabinet measures 30.3 by 31.5 by 18.2 and weighs only 51.4 pounds, making it an ideal addition to your garage. This garage mobile cabinet, made of stainless steel, was created to provide long-lasting quality for all of your tools and work area necessities. This is a multifunctional cabinet with one full extension drawer, 2 lock and key doors, and 1 adjustable shelf. Without any complications. Supplies, tools, and hardware can be easily stored. This mobile cabinet is designed to be both stylish and functional. Its lifetime warranty covers the Fortress collection. Manhattan Comfort has been producing high-quality products for nearly a decade. They've become a household name as a result of their success. The Workpro is a modular storage system that is ideal for larger garages and workshops. You'll get a quality closed storing capacity with the Workpro tool chest, which includes 5 different sized drawers and 1 large bottom cabinet. There are 3 pull-out drawers and a top drawer in the upper cabinet. When the lower cabinet is removed, it can be used as a workbench. It has a tall bottom drawer underneath 2 shallow drawers. The only issue with the product is that it is assembled outside of the United States, resulting in a longer and riskier shipping process. Many customers have reported material damage upon arrival. When assembled in one piece, this Workpro unit measures approximately 40 inches high, 24 inches wide, and 13 inches deep. The Husky workbench is an excellent choice for tool storage in your garage. The unit has 9 sliding drawers, 2 large drawers on the bottom, and a shallow full-width drawer on top. The workbench is made of reinforced steel and is several inches deeper than standard 18-inch workbenches. In small spaces, the wood table maximizes your work surface area while also providing a stylish finish. Each drawer has a capacity of 100 pounds. The bottom 2 drawers can hold 200 pounds. As a result, this workbench weighs more than 220 pounds. However, with the caster wheels, you should have no trouble moving it. Finally, an integrated power strip on the side of the workbench provides easy access to 4 outlets and 2 USB ports, so your tools and other electronic devices can always be charged up and ready to go. There is plenty of storage options within the workbench inside the lockable 21.7 inches deep drawers. Sometimes you need a seat on the job. Instead of a workspace, this chest is a glorified stool that lets you take your tools wherever you roll. It can hold 350 pounds between the padded seat, the 3 drawers, fastener holders and the 2 side tables. It's particularly suited for tire and wheel work or for paint and cosmetic detailing along the sides of a vehicle. Some customers say the roller wheels don't spin 360 degrees and that the seat is too hard. With this creeper seat toolbox from Performance Tool, you can work in any garage, maintenance bay, or shop in comfort and ease. With 3 drawers and 2 folding trays, you'll be able to keep all of your tools close by while working. The cushioned seat allows anyone to stay and work for extended periods of time in comfort. The large 360-degree rotatable casters allow for smooth movement around any workplace. Make your tools look sexy with the Seville Classics UltraHD. This cabinet is ideal for those looking for a high-quality storage unit with a stylish appearance. It has a strong steel frame, stainless steel drawers and door fronts, and a solid wood counter surface. With such sturdy materials, this cabinet is long-lasting and can support up to 300 pounds. This unit has plenty of space for tools of all sizes thanks to the drawers and cabinet with an adjustable shelf. Seville's rolling storage unit is only 34.5 inches tall and 28 inches wide, so it can easily fit into small spaces. However, good looks come at a high cost. This cabinet is not pre-assembled.